What's up, YouTube? Your boy Ty back here for another episode of Fishing and Dripping, man. Today, bro, got another little pond we go hit up. Homeboy caught a 7-pound out this pond, bro. I done caught like 3, 4, couple of 3s, couple of 2s, one nice like 4. But today we got the scale, we got the camera, we gonna strap up, let you see your boy Ty come catch some of these biggins in Georgia, man. So stay tuned, drippers. Alright, YouTube, we had a change of plans, bro. We gonna go pick up my homeboy Josh. Josh go fish with us today too, man. We gonna have Josh out there on the water with us, man. That's the one who caught that 7-pound I was telling you about, man. So we gonna go grab Josh, link up with Elliot, man. Hit a lake, a little pond or two. Let's see what it do today, bro. Let's get it. My boy Josh just got here, man. Finna go get on him today. Mr. 7-pounder right there, man. Mr. 7-pounder.
Gang.
Finally, bro, I gotta clean the back of my truck, bro. But this is the back of my truck right now, bro. Trust me, a couple of days it will not be this. But I definitely gotta get the money bag with me. Take that money bag with me. Got a lot of little Google-based scale, everything I need in there. Let's see, I'm gonna take me a couple flukes, cause I gotta throw me a fluke. Swim baits. Gotta get some of them darts,
I need
bro.
money.
Let me see, bro. Bro, you ain't jumping this, bro. Bro, you ain't jumping this, bro.
Bro, from right here to there, I guarantee I'll take it.
Bro, you ain't jumping this, bro. This is a nice little gap, bro.
Nah, it's not bad.
That's a nice gap, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I do this on the regular, bro. I'd have to just jump from right here. I'd get over there.
I don't want to play with it because I don't want to get wet, bro.
Easy.
I mean, damn, how the hell we gotta walk all the way up there? Bro, I got all the way up here, bro. Forgot my new glasses, bro.
You ain't gotta have.
I gotta go get them, bro. Round 2 up the hill, bro. Round 2 up the hill. Oh my God, this hill is no game, bro. This hill ain't no game, bro. Wow, we finally hit her. God. We here, bro. We are here, bro. Nah.
Let me show you the damn crap in there.
Let's get in this water. Oh, let's get in this water. Let's go. Here, I got somebody. Let's go. First fish of the day, man, on that little lipless crankbait, man. First fish of the day. You got a pair of pliers, Elliot? Back at it again. Bird nest fixed. Let's get back in this water. Still working the lipless crankbait. Got 1 off of it. Let's make it 2. Let's make it 2. I see the bait fish in the water over here, bro. I know it's a bass chasing. We want a nice meal. A nice lipless meal. Oh my God. I broke off, but it's right there, but I'm tired of that anyway. Unfortunately, that was the only fish of the day, man. I did catch that little dink fish, man, but we had a good day, man. Got to go out to eat afterwards. Had us a good time, man. Send me some ideas, any spots, but like, subscribe, man. Let's keep it going, man. First couple videos of the journey. We had a long journey, YouTube. Keep fishing and dripping, man. Your boy Ty, stay tuned.